A quadriplegic man speaking out after he's accused of ramming his wheelchair into officers.
For the first time, we are seeing body camera video when Miami-Dade police say they were assaulted by a quadriplegic man. A case so unusual, even the judge at first appearance seems surprised.
I have truly never seen a case like this.
So police arrest a quadriplegic man claiming that he assaulted them, or battery in Florida. Let's discuss. This is Brian Armastis. He goes by the stage name El Valiente. He's also a social media star. On YouTube, he has 18,000 subscribers under the same name.
Armastis' stage name is Valiente. He's a recording artist with more than 18,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Hello, sir. How are you?
When we met, rescue came to the home to take him to the hospital. He says he was hurt when he was arrested and taken out of his chair to be put in a squad car.
Now, Valiente was arrested for battery on a law enforcement officer, but he says he's the actual victim of police brutality. Here is how he explains it.
They claim that I hit them with my wheelchair.
Armastis tells us a different story. Did you?
I absolutely did not.
It was Wednesday when police responded to a dispute between Armastis and his mother at their Southwest Miami-Dade home. According to the report, when she was arrested, he got agitated.
The officer, she bumped into my wheelchair because I was standing in the driveway and the driveway is thin.
The report stated that you spit at an officer.
Right, so I suffer from acid reflux, so I normally spit. And I spat like the totally different direction. They manhandled me. They tried to cuff me with my hands on my back, which I can't do.
So as you see, Valiente denies all the allegations, says he didn't ram his wheelchair into officers, and on top of that, he actually didn't spit on officers. He spit a different direction, and they're essentially lying on him. So to show what happened, police released the body cam footage. Hey guys, this is a quick ad, but stick with me because this one is truly wild.
His name appeared alongside Hollywood celebrities in international news headlines, wrongfully connecting him to crimes of the college admissions scandal. He says the case ruined his life and his career. Although eventually exonerated, it ended up costing him his life savings in legal fees.
Now, what would you do if the U.S. government accused you of federal crimes you didn't commit, while Netflix and USC is breathing down your neck too? This is exactly what happened to John Wilson, the subject of the new book, Varsity Blues, A Scandal Within the Scandal. And here's the kicker. He was totally innocent, but yet he was lumped in with people like Felicity Huffman and Lori Loughlin, who pleaded guilty to their crimes. But prosecutors didn't care that he was innocent. They weaponized the justice system and tried to destroy his life over a $1,400 typo. And when his case was looked at by a federal appeals court, they said, quote, John Wilson did not receive a fair trial. This book details the tragedy of the U.S. government accusing you of a federal crime you didn't commit, while Netflix and the University of California are breathing down your neck too. Now grab Varsity Blues, A Scandal Within a Scandal. Link is in the description and in the pinned comment. It is a masterclass on how one man took on the system and won. Now, link is in the description or in the pinned comment, or you can also find this book on Amazon. Now, back to the story.
What's going on, man? How can I help you?
First situation.
Okay.
So these are her and her mom are my aides. They come to help provide services for me.
Okay.
I'm sitting in the office today working here, and I work from home.
Okay.
And my mother and her mother started having a verbal dispute. I hear all this commotion, I hear all this screaming. I'm in the middle of work, so I took a break. I come outside, see what's going on. And I just told her to be quiet, tell me what's going on. Basically, the situation is that they have keys to come to the house to provide services to me that I provided to them. She, when I say she is my mother, was upset because they were coming in and out to provide services to me. The aides. She, my mom, was upset that they were coming in and out to provide services.
Do you know if she gave them any orders or something? Hey, listen, don't come during this time, or just give it, like just knock or something?
She cannot, number one, because it's my services. She has no authority to make decisions about my medical services. Number one.
So you're, she's not the one that's, because you know how sometimes when individuals, like caregivers and stuff like that?
No.
She's not listed because with the...
Because of the last altercation that happened last year, she was removed.
Did the courts deem you as capable of
She's
of
never
making
had like
decisions and
custody.
stuff. No, it's not custody. It's like, you know how the court sometimes they'll do that just to make sure that the best interest of the individual with disabilities or injuries or stuff.
It has never come to that.
You know, I'm just making sure. That's one of the things that I just want to make sure.
It has never come to that point. And plus, I'm an adult. I can make my own decisions.
Yeah, but
no, I understand.
You understand, right, man?
I just tell everybody shut up. What's going on? She explained to me. Her and her mom work different shifts. So she works Monday through Friday.
That's your grandmother?
No, they're not related to me at all.
Her and her mom, this lady?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, and then your mom. Okay, now I understand.
Her and her mom work different shifts. She works like Monday through Friday, and the lady works the weekends.
Okay.
When one has to do something,
they cover for each other.
Exactly. Okay. It's a teamwork. She wasn't in agreement that was happening. So I told her, Mom, you have nothing to do with this. You're not involved.
Do they live with you 24 hours?
They work a schedule Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
And at night, who cares for you?
My mother.
Maybe you want to consider having them care for you 24 hours?
It's been a battle I've had with insurance. It's not them, it's the insurance to pay for the 24 hours. But that's the dilemma I'm in because I'm mentally capable of making my own decisions. They don't approve 24 hours. So that's like the predicament that I'm in. You get what I'm saying?
Well, I think also because your mother lives with you, so you're showing the capability. No, but she's living with you, right?
So
that's the thing. That's probably one of the things where they're like, look, you have the ability to have somebody come in that's not them to take care of you.
When everything happened back in September when you guys took it the first time, I had moved out and I requested 24 hours and they still denied it. So it's not because of that. Regardless. So whatever, she and I started arguing. She tried to slap me. I moved back and she didn't hit me at all. She just like kind of grazed me with the nail.
Yeah, that's still touching though.
But whatever, I don't want to push charges. I don't want.
The thing is that unfortunately, once certain things are said and done, and
so I came out.
We don't have any discretion on domestics, you understand? So it is what it is. So.
Now, as you just heard what the officer said, they don't really have any discretion on whether they can arrest the mom or not, especially if he's saying the mom assaulted him. She hit him, because this is a domestic violence incident. So in these type of cases, someone has to go. And in this case, since he's telling the police that it's the mom who assaulted him, the mom has got to be arrested.
Lo vamos a hacer ahorita, volteate en el carro, ella te puede explicar todo, es mi supervisor.
¿Mi identificación?
No se necesita.
Yo se lo quito y lo ponemos.
Zapatos por lo menos. Entra conmigo si yo no voy a ir para ningún lado, ¿ves?
No, está bien.
No, está bien así, ¿no? ¿Okay?
Me da frío en los pies, mija.
Ellos te dan medias allá.
Las llaves de mi casa.
Ya te la dan. Me dice dónde están y yo la
Pero yo no soy violenta, porque tienes que actuar así.
¿Tienes problemas de hombros o no?
Sí, y de espalda, mira cómo estoy.
You have 2 cups? ¿Qué te hicieron? ¿Un procedimiento?
No, que yo sufro de la espalda de tanto cargarlo a él cuando estaba pequeño.
You have 2 cups or no?
Yeah, when I get on the car,
Él te va a poner otros.
No,
pon las manos, si no pones las manos
eso
así.
quería quitarme las prendas.
Nosotros las vamos a quitar ahorita. Just wait over there, Brian. Brian.
It's like you guys want to do this. Nah, bro, don't do that.
Hey, stop hitting me with the chair,
man,
Brian.
Stop doing
That's a battery on a
You
wheel.
just said you
That's
weren't
a
gonna
battery
do that,
on a wheel, bro.
Bro, you guys just said you weren't gonna do that, bro. What the?
We said we're gonna go talk to her.
Well, what are you gonna do about it?
You need to calm down.
Or what you gonna do about it? All right, so take me then. If you want to take me, then take me. I just told you not to do that. That I was gonna leave the house.
You can't do that, man. Once there's a battery, we have no discretion.
Bro, I just told you she didn't hit me. Her nail grazed me. That's all. That's all she did. All right, so take me.
Don't hit me, bro.
So just take me then.
Don't hit me.
If she's going, I'm going.
Brian, don't hit me.
If she's going, I'm
I'm telling you
going.
right now.
If she's going, I'm going.
Calm down.
No,
If she goes, I go. If she goes, I
Going,
go.
Brian.
If she's, then I'm going.
Hey,
Take
stop, man.
Get my hands.
Stop.
Take me. No. Shut up. You shut the up. I'm going.
Señora, quítate esto para irnos.
Take me.
Dame esto.
Listen, unfortunately, the way the laws are written,
You're a pig, bro. We just have a conversation. And you tell me one thing, you go and another stunt.
either she was gonna be Baker acted or she was gonna.
All right, so Baker actor.
You can't
So Baker actor.
You cannot Baker act on a domestic violence case.
What the f you talking about? She was bigger at the last time.
But that was some other issue.
All right, so take me. So I'm taking. I'm going.
So as police tried to explain multiple times, it's a domestic battery case. You've said she's assaulted you. We have no discretion. We have to take her because of the nature of the call. But Brian says, hey, he wants to go to jail too. So things escalate pretty rapidly.
So take me.
Hey, chill.
I just hit you again. What the you do about it?
Tell you what's gonna happen.
For the first time, we are seeing body camera video when Miami-Dade police say they were assaulted by a quadriplegic man. When we interviewed Amastha back then, he told us this.
They claimed that I hit them with my wheelchair.
Did you?
I absolutely did not.
The report stated that you spit at an officer.
Right. So I suffer from acid reflux, so I normally spit. And I spat like the totally different direction.
But this is the video.
You want to listen or not?
Yeah, because
Officers later seen inspecting their legs. Amastha charged with 2 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer.
So it seems like our quadriplegic man spit on the officers, rammed his wheelchair into them twice, and they arrested him for battery against a law enforcement officer. So is this arrest legit? Would you have arrested this quadriplegic man if you were the law enforcement officers? He said he wasn't going to stop until you arrested him. He rammed his wheelchair. He did the spit. That is a battery technically by the law. Now, I don't know. Part of me says, well, he called for police to help him and didn't want to let his mom get arrested, but unfortunately, that's just the law down there. But then, on the other hand, he did batter the officers, and they should not have to take that abuse. But let me know how you feel in the comment section. Do you feel that police overreached by arresting this quadriplegic man, or do you think he was arrested legitimately? To me, this is not really that close. I think legitimately, he wanted to be arrested. He did everything he possible could do to get arrested, and they complied with his request. You're under arrest. But with that being said, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, do like great YouTube stuff. My name is Nate the Lawyer, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.